na president eko aye dwumadie no so na president eka nsem bibre na emu bi baako okasa de fa yen group na Ghana World Cup no yedam no na yentie Nhyira ketekreku on your group nyame adoma World Cup yedam no na afei yemfa emedi eye enkomo no Croatia, Panama and then England no ose yen group no Ghana yamode mo no ebeko sei na yemfa and started Black Stars enkomo no enano pay
against England. I see England as like I likened the game against England like a Hassan Kotoko derby. No form guide. It could be anybody's game. England in themselves are even afraid of the fixture because they don't know what to expect. So the most important game for me is the game against Panama. It's a game we have to be on top of our game. So I think it shows that yes, it is a tough group. We have to be competitive to make it to the next round. What is good for us as a country is that in 2022, Ghana paraded one of the youngest teams in the World Cup. 4 years down the line, all those boys who were 21, 22 are now 25 and 26, a lot more matured. And that will definitely count when we walk onto the pitch again. The sort of mistakes that they made 4 years ago are not likely to be repeated. And that will be good for Ghana. And that is the source of my encouragement that, look, we have kept a chunk of the team. This morning, I was looking at our lineup against Uruguay, our lineup against Portugal. This morning, I was like, ooh, from the team of 25 or 20, we have about 16 of them still in the squad. So we're in the right way. The coach has retained some amount of consistency in the team, which is good.
Okay. Enti Nhyira ketekreku and other san community too da our young group no Croatia, Panama and then England. Now I see a group no England game no England for na ye te Ghana hana isuru no. I see England for no mususu ye pa. Aye oya asuru oya. Aye kotoko ne has. Obi asu en nyonko. Na ono ye group no game a usuru pa ojide se o se Ghana. Ye me ani ko ho e Panama game no. Because aye game I say you so Panama de be so simple. Ya hwe ya omom ne betumi upset yen. And so awo aye dwumadie no enso emu. Na say ade ba ko ye ne de. Your team now they could board the last World Cup, no. A chunk of the players in our team, no. And now you sign at the World Cup into GDA, Sabibia between a conkain, and so at the the Black Stars of Ghana. And yes, yeah. Now, second one, Yebisan said, now, how far? And the World Cup now, yeah, Kono. Ghana, you bet me according to Akudru. Target in the saying, Yako J, Anna, Yako Pay, Biana, Yako Kahosa. Nyabo World Cup ni bi aba and also yentie President Ket Okreku.
I wish I could answer this question when our 26-man squad is announced, because I would love to see who are in the squad for me to be able to tell what is likely to happen. If you ask me this question today, I would say that I'm very confident because we have a united team, a team led by Jordan Ayew. It's a very united one. They very much want to be successful at the World Cup. I want to be successful. Ghanaians want us to be successful. And I think that every member of this squad is looking up to putting up a good performance at the World Cup. Yeah. And that is the source of my strength or my happiness.
Okay. And the president is a Sabrina Nakwabna Bobisan sa question idea. Nyamianim. So between a case be a Kokota Fana Semiano de Untiminka. But our train, sir, listed the World Cup in the Baba. Na honey bit me at channel. So World Cup a yekui onudu GD sa ha Edna yebetimi akoba do say ade ba ko ai eye awo yentim no say nuado ho unity players ni na no nkabo mu ho a GD say yekọ World Cup no ano ebetimi aboan yi pa anana mpese de link eye the Ghanaian players as you see akan of course yam Black Stars no our various air teams omo bo our abruchi no it seems as a be form no kwa na ekọ form be so de na ekosro de and I know they betimi inform me and World Cup na yekọ no baby so ye betimi akwakwedi but before me ma bejafo abam we dey update na memfa amamon so emrem update no ne say honorable minister for youth and sports and sports and recreation Nhyira Kofi Adams enra odi atuja say nyame adoma World Cup ebe kwa kobo no enchakra penifo beba bonten na yam budgeta yeah dia kobo World Cup no omama no aye known to the public na anko obia anko nwiinwi this time no before kra be tournament no obia be hu ye kwa yeduwe be sei yeduwe be ha ye be fa ka kwa ha sei ne ye betua bonus bibia omobama no aye public se ne be ya obia nso no ebe hu se dia hu nsam no enso esitientia hu nsam no ano no ayala min san chase emfi ho president nsemini emfa link no to yem players yo musi akan oni bi din komo say kudus mi kra na enu se ja omno kura team Jordan no ne adi aso mo ne bone ba from you say we an transam enyo a as an form na ye wo Man City a team no nesnia ma no ne adi na no aso mo ba from bi a good demand yen team no
of course we are Ghana na expectations and say Blasters be there or the upcoming World Cup. Rich, you should be genuinely worried. You're not concerned, crowd. Worried.
I said high.
Yes. Rich, we're normal a team bia. A players na team. Players a best 70% of team success it depending on them.
Yeah.
And that's 70% of the team success now it depending on players now. It depending on players in the form. And say a some few months. We are in February.
Yeah.
Now you have a World Cup. Now say Rich offer Blasters. Na oya wadwimpo say o the since a auto ebaye ne average call up ebe predicting a final call up obeye for the World Cup. Na o share the current situation of key players in that average call up now, you must be worried. You must be very, very worried. And all your worried Nhyira is based on form and injury. Rich, and you Antoine Semenyo Friwa. Omo maka na ye hwa almost said they are the star boys of our team. Look at situation on womb. One way or the other will be our certain situation.
Kudus pra.
Kudus a pra. And Kudus prana we prano. And yet a pra, there's even an update on the recovery day today. So starts all keke ball. It's not even seen. So we're buying puso or babak. What it means is that yetia ye krano. Kudus babaka enche biya na season the baby ye near Kobo World Cup. And Ghana will not want Kudus at that level. Say Kobo World Cup. And by this time, you want him to be consistently playing, not or building a form and a confidence. But unfortunately, yes, Adiano. Who you could do through the pillar of your team in the engine room is Thomas. And you didn't want the issues within a psyche, the playing time, our Villarreal. And then someone the coach must get any Ghanaian who would love to see Thomas Partey anchor your engine room worried. Now, only your biggest problem. Rich, ye sport journalist in ye did team nechipa. Rich, and then so we say Thomas Partey ni ho. Kudus any ho. How many of you backup or Blasters anymore? Who are you going to mention? There is no confident mention.
Yes, yeah.
Unless maybe I am missing out on a confident mention. And yes, everybody in Biakeko. Obia will see a win you away or
because Sibo intimi.
Look, say Sibo on a party boom. In our game against Mali Omo boom. So he can't be Partey's replacement in the Blasters team.
Okay.
Who said that over more than 10 minutes? Against Barcelona.
Hey, say Oviedo onye bi mo.
O pray no sa onye bi mo dada. E no sa ko pray. E no ba back. but at least he played 90 minutes against Barca. Until Onuko they heard him say, oh, he will be able to build some game time and Sana Yako World Cup. But I'm saying, say, even in the profiling of your players, no Blasters, no. Zibo is your number 6. Partey is a transitional number 8. Until Patan Kasankasano. Means you say a opportunity for someone to be in a backup or Blasters. No? Same with Kudus. Now, Uko Yechiwa. Though there are conditions, but Rich, again, revisiting the average collapse. Any Omaya Momo Bono. Oda sorry cry now so be a fit aye Jikuni Salisu in Kababo for 5 meboa. And a Salisu so pra. Ono so then ACL. And a very likely Salisu cry one we walk up on Bobimbo. Until one way spinal. Ye defender problem. Ye central midfield problem. Ye attacking midfield problem. Even with Jordan, who was your best player during the qualifiers now? Only from Leicester. Doom. Fatah Usaku or Sene Adechia Otimukobe 4 games now on ye. And as Newman and he was one following the right to dream Norgeland path, no. And so a prayer man who come and name Mobono. Inaki Williams. On quite the Blasters like I said, I fit to crown into me more. None and see a form cross eye basa. Even when we Jan and Asu, Beba can only never Blasters na in fact. Rich, we have a big problem. And Migiri said, I was here started the Blasters in common in them.
Sure, and then the
I was here started the Blasters in common in them. And I never say the GFA president won't wait for the call up because may I so say you want to monitor the state of your team, no, a players in a form, the injury situation, you know, and so maybe I will make a pronouncement. Be away to make a pronouncement.
I think it's a president very important. I think you said something about the way England for no can be a little bit careful. And your boys and experience no munya last World Cup no. As it stands now, it is going to be telling in the next World Cup. I think it's okay.
England match no. England for this loser.
But following you didn't see the newspapers.
Yeah.
Yeah, they said we Joanna Reef.
Any automatic more
and you slow say but yeah. I say okay. I say what we are trying to communicate and say they don't know what to expect. Yeah. Or like we are unpredictable. You can predict Croatia.
Yeah, I'm very careful.
You get it.
I like England for they've lost to the Senegalese a while ago. It's you know that playing against African sides. Physicality can be tricky for you. One Sheniana a friendly game. Yeah. So for me, Rich, I think the most important game is Panama match. Yakama is about to look like a cliche, but the most important game is the Panamanian game. Because you're the 2 weakest teams on paper in the group. So if we're able to get a maximum point against Panama, I'm very sure say a lot of Panamanian analysts will also say it in Spanish to almost show for say your most important match a Ghana match, you know. See you 3 points against Ghana. I mean but that is the truth. See it mean 3 points against Panama for Norwich and they to a good position going into the rest of the games. You will know how to navigate Croatia well. The concessions here against England because CG2 say we can't go bang for bang against England. Okay, then let's stay in the game. In a 1 point against England, in a 1 point against Croatia, we are gone. I mean, too early to be doing the mathematics, but then those are some of the ways.
No, but
3 points against
Panama. Panama.
Yes,
there were 3 points.
Yeah, am I plan here clear?
2 now when you draw,
we are gone.
5 going.
And World Cup, no, Rich, it can be tricky. Me, I can several times that. The Croat team you won and any the Croat team we saw 4 years ago. Age aka team no. Tomo issues ka class. Lako Dallas is not finding it easy Yes, Luka Modric is
That's
Luka
experience
Modric.
in so whole.
You
need your money but
but Rich on any
Luka Modric no more Bobo at me say.
But who's a Santa and you Lucas on
Okay.
I mean when Mario Mandzukic and the likes were up top and then Ante Rebic money at the Adeno and Fasa. We have the players we are talking about top players that delivered in Europa. We can mention some Ghanaian players as well a deliver. What I'm hoping is moves like Jonah JTD, it's going to give him experience. Salisu played in the my friend is in Champions League. Kudus or qualified top 8. Antoine Semenyo Champions League. It is going to be for players almost Bobby Pempate. Villarreal is out there, but he has seen it before. Jordan Ayew, captain of the side, Wabo at the top level before. He may not have played. I mean, even for Marseille, I'm sure maybe a cameo in the Champions League, but he has been there at the top before.
But I'm form name form,
which is true. But because your core are good. Your core are very, very good. I top form. Yeah, if you look at even Thomas Mohamed Kudus, the whole Tottenham Hotspur team they struggle. But even with that, he's part of the standouts. Antoine Semenyo is on super form. Jonah did the same. Yeah, so your back line, Honoma. We have players that are playing very, very well. Maybe only problem with Black Stars team is in the middle of the park. I've seen pictures of Daniel Kofi Chirao starting training kakra. Yeah. I don't know how fit Kofi Chirao can be for the World Cup, even match fit. But see, Timinya a solid backup for the middle because me are worried. Man can't me wa Ashimeru fitness wise. You trusted say he's going to be there for you as much. Thomas Partey. The last time Marcelino said, "Oh, you're sharp enough," but when it comes to the contest of the Black Stars, yeah, Partey is always going to be our go-to man. Then who do we partner with him? Or Ayala Fifi? We just at some point in time we believe saying Nhyira Kwesi to add the physicality. But Kwesi Sebo so Oviedo has been a little bit on and off. If Kwesi can be fit and play, Nhyira Sabo is consistently. I'm telling you, we have a good team. Salis Abdul Samed. So Obalone Eweyo Sunderland.
Brandy
Salis, yeah, and who's the Salis will be prior. Sometimes about the injury and its management. Or prior it's actually for a very long time. In fact, Olo no Sunderland before Sunderland will qualify to the league, and the Regis Lebri, not a bench because of injuries or back, Santo Tana bench. So the injuries have worried him.
You don't have good agents. You need good
agents.
Salis. You need good agents. You come World Cup by now. Senkawe Senegalese and as I Ivorian. Agents Papana. Or they could have committed with Nako Club Bia. A man some stable environment. And I think so these are privileged to be a place. No. I don't want to use the word Bamitino. Only a stubborn kakra.
Complacency.
Summit even through the World Cup 2022, Rich. Now there was some nagging injury. Now I was so surgery. Also on yet.
Wow.
Can't dang. Also on yet. Minim say say I said the second Ghanaian player. Then as a Bob on all man, they believe in me. The people to treat me. The people be yes, I'm sorry. This Kotoko guy, Intimenu.
Yeah, Christopher Intimenu.
No. Intimenu Kotoko me for the. We had a need him back refi. On say Obia query AF. Andrews Intimenu. Unumia. O pray for front. The Kotoko medical team can say Niprano. I was so yes, Seji. What's it that?
I didn't know when you said
like also they believe in alternative medicine. Until maybe be a bad cop. For a long time. I didn't cry now, and go. And Ubeka ever started season or bad training be. I'm a video being pictures, as I say, and it's in Timenuba. Only so bad training now. Or ye Greek no said no.
I didn't know. So
then he agreed.
Now
he will do the surgery.
Rich now, knee injuries inside injuries. No, they are you. One time, I think somewhere in November, me kobo ball kote ya. Me ball crossfield pass na me go to you right. Me ball left.
Background now the banner ya.
I did see you. Any comfort you walk now. Me call Nantes so about. Rich up till today. Say me full staircase. I feel it in that side. And
amoso garlic bitters ma moja di afuru sane yie blood pressure any cholesterol kɔ fam eyi